Here's some great introduction question for student to help them a grade known as each better. Okay, what is the name
Sir, my name is Akshat Gaurav.
and where are you from?
Sir, I am from Bareilly.
Okay, what is class are you in?
Sir, I am in class 12th bio section.
What is your favorite subject in school?
Sir, my favorite subject is biology.
Why?
Sir, because it is easier to understand as compared to other subjects.
Oh, very good. Do you have any hobbies and interest?
Sir, currently not having any hobby, but I used to study about different topics, interesting topics about biology and other subjects also.
Okay. Do you like do in your free time?
Sir, I like to be sleep in my free time or to study some things which are important topic only.
Do you have a favorite book, movie, TV show?
Sir, I have a favorite book named as The Origin of Evolution by Gregor Mendel.
Doing one thing you are really good at.
Sir, actually, I am good at teaching, for example.
Okay, no problem. What is your dream job?
So, my dream job is to be a scientist by doing BSc in biotech or any other species.
Thank you. All
Thank
the
you, sir.
best.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name
My name is Sakshama Upadhyay.
and where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What class are you in?
I am in 6th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is maths.
Why?
Why I am shy, why I am sharpening in maths.
Do you have any hobbies or interest?
My hobby is playing cricket and making foods.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to do in my free time playing video games.
Do you have a favorite book,
I have my favorite book Gita.
movie,
My favorite movie is Kill.
and TV show?
No, no TV show.
Very good. What do you dream job?
My dream job is Army Commander.
Oh, very nice. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
What's your name
My name is Arman Saxena.
and where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What grade are you in?
I am in 7th standard.
What's your favorite subject in
My favorite subject is computer
and why?
because it's easier to understand.
But do you have any hobbies or interest?
I have hobby in cricket,
Do you like to do in your free time?
in free time, and playing games.
Do you have a favorite book,
Yes, Ramayana.
movie,
No,
TV show?
no TV show.
Very good. What is your dream job?
GSI inspector.
Oh, very good.
Thank you.
What's your name
My name is Vilan Rathore.
and where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What's class in Kenyon?
I am in 10th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school and why?
My favorite subject is maths because I am interested in calculating questions and calculations.
Do you have any hobbies?
And my hobby is riding my bike.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like in free time spending my mobile.
Spending mobile. Okay, is it common?
Okay.
Do you have a favorite book,
My favorite book is Ramayana.
movie,
Movie is Shrikant.
TV show?
TV show is my CID.
Oh, very good. What do you? What is your dream job?
My dream job is joining to Merchant Navy.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Sanjana Yadav.
Where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What class are you in?
I am 11th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Biology.
Why?
Why? बस
have any hobbies?
Badminton.
Do you like to do in your free time?
Mobile.
Do you have a favorite book,
रामायण.
movie,
मूवी कोई नो.
TV show?
तारक मेहता.
What's your dream job?
IPS इंडियन पुलिस सर्विस.
Okay. What's your name
My name is Alina Varsi.
and where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What grade are you in?
I am 9th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Playing games.
Do you have a favorite book?
My favorite book APJ Abdul Kalam. No.
TV show?
Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is teaching.
What's your name?
My name is Yash Saini.
Where are you from?
I am from Bareilly.
What grade are you in?
I am studying 6th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you have any hobbies?
My hobby is playing video games.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Free time, I play games.
Do you have a favorite book,
My favorite book is Mahabharat.
movie,
Movie Drishyam 2,
TV show?
Big Boss.
Quit. What do you dream job?
My dream job is businessman.
Very good. What's your name
My name is Mohammad Hassan.
and where are you from?
I am from Bareilly,
What class are you in?
9th standard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you have any hobbies?
My hobby is cricket.
Do you like to do in your free time?
Playing games and sleeping.
What's your dream job?
My dream job businessman.
Businessman.